Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this RGB LED light from MEROSS. The model is MSL320, 2 by 5 meters included inside. Works with Apple HomeKit, remote control, voice control from Alexa or Google Assistant. Just give a command, turn on or off the lights, dim the lights, change the color and more. You can schedule. And to do all that, you need to download the MEROSS app from Google Play Store or iOS Store and control this LED RGB strip at any time, at anywhere from your smartphone. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and how we can use it, install it and find out how great it looks at the night. RGB colors are in our life and are amazing. I like RGB colors. You can install it at your TV, living room, bedroom, anywhere, at your store, wherever you want. Okay, two pieces included inside. We've got the power adapter. It is 12 volt, 3 amps, 36 watt. And the cable length, it is 1.5 meters. Nice. Of course, we've got some manual instruction. Nice, I like that. And that. But stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. We've got the 3M tape. You can stick that at the back. On, off and reset button. The connection for the power adapter goes here. Connection for the RGB LED light. We can see the arrow here, and just press and that was all connected. 3M tape at the back. Cable management plastics. You can install that here. Perfect. 3M tape. Find the right position. LEDs here and here. You need to have it at the middle of the LEDs. And you can install it at some points at the RGB LED strip. Of course, the LED strip, it has 3M tape. But you can use these plastics for your cable management. Yeah, why not? You can do that. You can use it for your cables at any point on your cable, let's say here. Perfect. It is your choice. It depends where you want to install it. And we've got the connectors. You can see inside we've got 4 pins are for the LED strip. With your scissor you can cut only here. Between the metal cutting points are 3 LEDs. You decide the length and cut at these points. And then you can use this connector and connect if you want more RGB, or if it is not possible to use these 2 RGB LEDs with these connectors, you can connect the one side here and the other you can connect it in the end of this RGB light and use the connector. It is your choice. As I said, it depends where and how you want to connect. Well, nice of that. I like they've got so many accessories inside. Definitely they help to make a good installation. Now let's download the app, make an account and start the connection. Power it on. Okay, LEDs are flashing. Add the device. We need the smart LED light strip. Next. Power up device. Wait about 5 seconds until the LED strip to blink 3 times. Correct. Next. Choose a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. I've connected to the device Wi-Fi. Go to settings. And we need to choose the MEROSS SLA0A2. Successfully connected. Tap to choose. Always connect. Go back at the app. Okay, Christmas tree. Yep. Next. Or you can take a photo or choose from your gallery. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Next. And done. Congratulations. And there it is. And we've got the firmware update available. Okay, update all. Update finish. And you can just press the button here, turns off, turn on, and there it is. Well, let's install it somewhere and see how they look at the night. And of course you can switch it off from the button, switch it on. Okay, here I am. I have installed it under my sofa and it looks great. It is amazing. Now you can control from the main screen, change colors by just sliding the ring. Wow, just love RGB. So vivid, so bright. Definitely they are doing a great job. And of course, all time you can decrease the brightness 1%, 100%. Again, slide with your fingers around and change colors. Did I mention that my favorite color it is blue? Yep. Beautiful. You can go to the effects, night, reading, working, relaxing, party. Yeah, party mode. Invite your friends and do a party. Watch a movie. Family, colorful, and again party. And of course, at all time you can edit this. You can edit the brightness, flash mode, static, flash, breathe, save, flash speed, 55%, affect color, and you can choose other colors. Another one, another one. You can rename. You can change even the icon if you want. You can take a photo, pick from gallery, and done. And now we'll get the party custom mode. And it looks great. I like it. And of course you can adjust the brightness again. Nice, beautiful. Let's go back. Color, again at the main screen. You can choose random by sliding your finger. Of course you can lights off, lights on, and you can ask from, okay Google, turn off sofa.
Sure, turning off sofa.
Turn on sofa.
Okay, turning sofa on.
Decrease sofa light at 50%.
Okay, dimming sofa by 50%.
Alexa, increase sofa light at 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, change sofa color to red.
Okay.
Okay Google, change sofa color to green.
Okay, changing sofa to green.
And all that you can do by voice assistant. Well guys, it is a great way to control your light even from the voice by Google or Alexa. Manual with your fingers. Install it in every place at your home and enjoy these RGB light effects. Find the right color, your favorite color, and do whatever you want. Relax, watch a movie, party. Easy to install, connected to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and control all your lights, even out of your home. Nice. If you want to buy it, guys, you can check down below to the description. There is a link, just click it and find more information about this product and where you can buy it. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who will need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.